Hello guys, today we are watching best moments Iem Cologne 2025. Okay, let's start. Oh my god. Yes, what a pour. Oh my god. Yes, oh my god, what the hell? Is it really? Yes, very dangerous moment. Oh my god. Very clever. Very clever. Very nice fight. Oh my god.
5-7 into the AK, dispatching of Mouse. They braved the smoke at their peril.
Yeah. What the fuck? Oh my god. Yes, nice shoot. Yes, amazing moment. We are watching replay. Oh my god. Yes, nice shot. Oh my god, nice shot again. Is really? Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Yes.
And he has single-handedly delivered them this pistol. That is what he was brought into this squad to do.
He said he doesn't care what event it is. He just wants to play.
Very clean moment.
And right now, with elimination on the line, proving that as an individual.
Nice hat.
Critique can come to Falcons.
Falcons' previous CT size setup was Kicks and B, and all three of these rounds has been this man.
Yeah, Tessus on B nowadays.
What the hell? Oh my god, I
made short work of Towson.
Yes, nice. Oh my god, nice.
$700
Very
pistol.
nice. Very professional moment.
Want to try and pepper this side of the map?
Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my god, Kaspersky, that's crazy.
Oh my god,
Jeez.
what the fuck? Oh my god, I love it. I love it.
Saw a Mirage Makazi getting set up and just kind of allowed to go on his own timing.
Yes. Okay.
It's been very cool to
We are
see.
waiting. Oh my god. Oh my god, like a Terminator.
Is he gonna get another ace?
Oh my god, very
They
nice.
catch him off guard.
Yes.
Going through this smoke. Timing is good for Blitz. He even gets a bit of an idea. Sees them crossing in. No, he doesn't. That smoke comes in. He thinks
Nice.
he has room to
Nice
throw more
game.
nades.
I love
Vitality
it.
saying no. Demanding respect, forcing a post plant.
These were the two, immortal players for Vitality
Yes.
on that initial 6-0
Okay.
streak. Neither of them fielding a death. They've now got to clutch up
Oh my god.
the entry and the closer,
I
the
love
bookends
this
of
one.
Vitality.
Oh my god,
Rots
what a
falls
pour.
first. Flames 1v3 needs the ace
Yes,
clutch. Fire
what
is
the
hard
fuck?
for the
Oh my
first
god.
2-0. Flames
White
one
distance.
for all
Oh my god.
5.
Oh my god, really good.
Fallen.
Oh my god.
Gonna get one as well.
Yes.
A second. Nice
Yes,
work. Just
nice.
ensuring
Very
this. The
nice.
Hunter's now stuck. There's no escape
Oh my
for him
God.
as well. Any kills on the way out would be nice, and the upgrades would go a long way. But
Yes,
there's no way he's gonna save
yes.
them. Consolation kills is all he can really
Going on.
ask for. I say that 1v2.
Oh my god.
They're
Oh my
kind of far
god.
away. Stick it.
I can't believe my
Oh
eyes.
God, it's gonna be close. He's
Nice
got a
gun.
kill. It's a race, and a race in which it seems
my
like
God,
the Achilles
yes,
gonna
nice.
lose. How is Hunter
Nice
walked
team.
away with that?
Provides the overwatch. One more shot connects. They do spam the smoke, but not to completion.
oh
and
my
you gotta
God,
finish
what
the
the
job.
hell?
Apex there, off the bomb. Will 3-on-3 here. ZywOo getting aggressive.
He's
Yes.
pushing up on the AWP. Haven't really seen ZywOo with the ult
Nice
yet, so
following.
let's see what he's got.
Oh my God,
it's
nice
a
clean
lovely
shot.
sequence from ZywOo. First time he's really looked to bring one onto the field, and the impact felt straight away.
He's trying to stick it.
Yes,
Will he get
very
the fourth?
patient.
Oh!
Just leaves now.
my
Mantis
God.
moving in. No way
Yes,
he was being
what the
held
hell?
up. He should have
What
finished
the
the job,
hell?
and ZywOo
Oh my
stopped
God.
him.
I don't think
Very
there was
aggressive.
time, to be honest. I think it was very, very close. I'm not sure he would have had
Oh my
it.
God,
The
nice
Molly
shot.
certainly
Nice
makes
shot
it hot.
again.
And ZywOo, ample shot.
Yes.
Winnable.
Left alone in this clutch. 4 players left to beat.
Yes. He is very patient.
None of them armored, but all of them armed.
Oh my god.
Ready
Oh my
to
God,
come on
very
through now
silence
that these
moment.
smokes have faded. Blitz, this is not an
Yes,
easy
we are
round.
waiting. Oh
2
my
in at
God,
the doorway.
Oh my
Blitz
god,
lights
what
them
the
up.
fuck? Oh my
Even more
god.
where that came
It
from.
is
Blitz
very
isn't stopping.
incredible. It is very
1v4.
incredible. Oh my
All the
God.
eyeballs, all the attention.
Yes.
Kaisuke, well, it should
Very
be on
cool.
Blitz for that
Very
clutch
cool
right
moment.
there.
Oh my god.
awkward to see, but I
Not a
think
bad gun,
he's
though, I'll
just-
say. Comparatively to the
It's true.
FAMAS, I actually think the Galil's got some
God.
legs behind it.
Nice.
Oh, hello.
Oh my god, what the hell?
Oh my god!
Is it really?
Valves, man. What is that angle? I mean, it works
What the
brilliantly.
fuck is that?
No.
Very nice and cool.
Potted out.
Okay
Kicks it.
guys, thank you
Watch
for
his ball on
watching
the-
me. Have a good day.